Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm so happy to be bringing this content to you guys. So basically today we are going to be learning how to create a free website. Okay, how to create a website for free for ourselves or even for our business. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create a free website that looks like this, so you can see here is a free website I created all by myself, and basically this is something that I did for free, and I did not have to stress myself, worrying about coding, programming, and all of that. I was able to do all those things for free and also effortlessly. Okay, I did not spend much time on this. I did not have to pay anybody. I did not have any coding skills. I don't have any coding skills, whereas I was able to create a beautiful website that looks like this. So if you want to learn how I did it, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because that is what we are going to be learning here, and I want you to pay close attention because you are going to be learning some new tricks to help you enhance your website, and you can use this for marketing or you can use it to actually share your content to the world, and you also will be getting a free domain, so you don't have to worry about you struggling to get domains and all of that. You'll be getting free domains so that anybody can access your website online. So now let's just take a look at the website I created for free. So you can see here is the website preview, and let me just start from the top. Okay, so you can see here I said hello viewers, welcome to Cross Territory, where you get to learn amazing stuff. So I designed this website all for my YouTube channel, and I wanted to show you guys how possible it is to create a free website. And again, here you can see I have my social icons here, which is my Facebook and also my Instagram. And if I click on my Facebook icon, basically it's going to take me over to my Facebook page. So you can see here is my Facebook page, and for those of you who would actually love to follow me, you can check me up on Facebook and we can connect and become friends. So you can see I also connected my YouTube channel for the Instagram profile. Let me just click on the Instagram profile. Basically I linked it to my what's it called, to my YouTube channel. Why? Because currently now I don't have what a stable Instagram account. Yeah, reason best known to me. Okay, so you can see that with this website you can get to do a whole lot of things, like either promote a product, or maybe you can use this to actually share your content to a vast number of people online. So here is a free website created by me and for myself. And also guys, I was able to get in an opt-in page. Most website builders would not actually give you this for free, but I was able to get this for free, in the sense that whenever somebody wants to join my newsletter, all they have to do is to provide me with their details, and they would be given access to join my newsletter, and I can start building my email list, and I can start messaging these guys, promoting to them, or maybe sharing valuable content with them. So with that all said, I believe you know why I'm sharing this, and I'm so happy sharing this. Why? Because you yourself, you're about to learn how to create your own website absolutely for free. So without all talking, and I don't want to waste your time, let's just go straight and let me show you how to do it. So all you have to do right now guys is that you come over to a new page, and what the software we are going to be using, okay, is known as GetResponse. Okay, we are going to be making use of GetResponse. So basically, if you're new on GetResponse, all you have to do is for you to create your own free account on GetResponse. Let me just go over to GetResponse and show you guys how to create your own free account. Getresponse.com. Okay, you can check the link. I'll be leaving the link down in the description box below, so that you guys would have easy access to getresponse.com. So let me go over to getresponse.com, where I'm going to be showing you guys how you create your own free account and how you can create your own website absolutely for free. So use the link below to create your own free account, and once you click on the link below, it's going to bring you over to this site, and what you have to do right now is you need to create your own free account. For those of you who don't have an account, you need to create your own free account. And should in case you make use of GetResponse like me, okay, you just have to hold on the beat. Let me show you those guys who don't know how to create an account, let me teach them how to create an account, and we can move over to the next step, which is we creating a free website. So if you want to basically create your account here on GetResponse, it is simple for you to do. All you have to do right now is, you can see where it says the sign up for free button on the top right hand corner. Okay, click on the sign up for free button, and you'll be redirected to put in your credentials, such as your name, your email address, and also a password. So it is a very simple tool to use, a very simple sign up page. You're paying no money basically. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to worry about things like subscribing and all of that. No, all you have to do is just put in your details here and you'll be given access to a brand new free GetResponse what account, and you can use the account to create any website of your choice. Okay, now let me just just rush through GetResponse and tell you guys what GetResponse is all about though. So GetResponse basically is an email marketing service tool. Okay, and what they do basically is that they help you nurture, grow your email list, and also you can use it for marketing, maybe sending bulk marketing mails and all of that. And in combination to that, they also have a free tool that can help you build a website, and that was the tool I used in building my own website. Okay, so now let's just jump into it. Let me just log into my account and show you guys how to do it. So yeah, you can see here I've been able to log into my account, and right now we are going to be heading over to the tool that we'll be using in creating our free website. So all I have to do right now is, you can see where it says the tools. Okay, you can see tools bar, click on the tools. Okay, and you're going to be having a whole lot of softwares here that you can use for free. Remember, you can do this for free, so you don't have to pay anybody any money. You can do this without any coding skills entirely. You don't have to be a programmer, or you don't have to be somebody with front end and back end idea. You don't have to be that kind of person for you to be able to create your own free website using GetResponse. So all you have to do right now is to just find where the website builder navigation is. So you can see it here, the website builder. Click on the website builder and it's going to redirect you over to this page where you can now create your own free website. But right before you leave this video, please make sure you watch to the very end. Why? Because it is technical, a little bit technical, but if you watch this video, it's going to be very, very simple for you. So you can see basically I have one of my page live, and you can see the name of the page is Perfect Fit, and that is the page you're seeing here. So I just decided to give it any kind of a domain name. Why? Because I wanted to prove it to you guys that you can create a website for free. But for you, you want to be very, very serious about this. You want to give it a good domain name for your business. Okay, your business domain name will be very, very professional, right? That is very good. So what you have to do right now is you have to come over to the create website, and if you're new here, you're going to be having nothing. You're not going to be seeing any kind of website created. Why? Because you are on a new dashboard. For me, I told you earlier, I have my own account here, and I also have one of my website that is live here. So what I'm going to do right now is click on the create website, and once I click on the create website, you can see we have two options here. You can either make use of a ready-made template, or you can use an AI power builder, in the sense that you just tell AI the kind of website you want to build, and automatically it's going to help you do that, guys. That is super, super amazing, right? You can try that out for yourself, but for me, I love going with the ready-made template. Okay, I might just come back and touch this one a little bit, but let's go over with this first one that says use a ready-made template. So let me just click on use a ready-made template, guys. And guys, before I continue, please make sure, if you are actually getting value from this video, I want you to smash the like button in appreciation. Please show me some love by doing that. And if you're new on my channel and you're loving what you're seeing, please make sure you join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, I love you guys so much. So now that you've been able to pick what a template here, you can see we have a whole lot of templates that we can use. Okay, a whole lot of templates that we can use, we can edit and turn them into our own. So you don't have to start thinking about coding. You don't have to start thinking about where to get coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all of that. Me myself, I don't even really understand all of that, but you can create your website. Okay, and it's going to look professional, regardless of you not being a programmer or you not being a coder. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so all you have to do right now is you want to take your time and go through all of the templates that they have for you here and find the one that basically fits your business or basically fits your need. Okay, if you still want to filter and maybe get more specific kind of templates to use, you can see here at the top, you can see we have a whole lot of filters that you can use. For instance, maybe I want to deal more with maybe a website that is related to vehicles and autos. Maybe I want to sell vehicles like cars. I'm talking about maybe my company being a car owner or whatsoever thing that is related to vehicles, right? I'm just going to click on autos or vehicles, and automatically it's going to start showing me content that is all about cars. You can see here, this is about the car. This is one is a car as well. This one also is a car template, so guys, you can just take your time and go through it. Here is also a car website templates that I can use, so you can just go through all of this and pick the perfect one that suits you. So let me just go back and show you the one I chose. Okay, so this is the one I basically chose for my business. So let me just go down and find that for you. Let me go down, it's still a little bit down, so let me just look for that and show it to you guys. So um okay, quickly, okay, yeah, this is it here. So this is the one I used for my business. So let me just open this. Okay, let me just open this and show you guys how to quickly edit all these things and make it look unique so that they look like you yourself designed it. Okay, it's very easy and very simple to do. So guys, you can see here that this is basically like the one I used. So you can see it is not too far from my own. They are quite similar, right? So that's how it works. So what you have to do right now is you need to over any place that you want to actually edit. For instance, maybe you want to change the logo. Okay, you can actually change the logo by clicking on image, and you'll be able to change this logo if you want to. You can see you can change your logo for yourself. You can also change the text that you are seeing here. So let me just type in something like hello to all my subscribers. Okay, good, and I hope you guys are doing cool. And I hope you guys are doing cool. Okay, yeah, so you can see I was able to change this. So regardless, you can actually change this and put in anything you want to put. Remember I told you you can use this for affiliate marketing, you can use this for your business, you can use this to actually tell people what you do, what you're doing, your skills, your product, whatever thing you want to do, you can do that right there. So if you want to edit or change anything, it is so easy, it is so simple to do. So that is the first thing I want to change here. So I'm just going to change the name here, and also if I want to change the call to action, okay, this small call to action bar that is orange, maybe I want to put in something. For my own website, I actually used subscribe here. Okay, and if you click on subscribe here, it's going to take you over to my YouTube channel, right? So I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to edit this call to action, and I'm just going to put in something like I love you guys. So let me just show you how to do it. So just come over to this place here and just put in whatever thing you want to put in. So I'm just going to put in I love you guys, and you can see it actually changed here. So I'm just going to leave that the way it is because I truly love you guys. So I'm just going to click on save, and so you can see the save up bar, you can see the save thing here, right? Click on save, and automatically it's going to save up the changes that we've made to this website. So guys, you can see it's loading up here. It's loading at the left hand corner. You can see that it is loading. So you can see it has been saved already. Basically super simple and super cool to do. So you can actually take your time to go through all of the things you want to edit. I told you can change in the logo, you can also change in the social icons. Maybe you want to put in your social media icon, you can do that. So for Facebook, all you have to do right now is to put in whatever link you want to redirect them to. So once they click on the Facebook icon, they will be redirected to a special link, or maybe to a special page. So that is for you. You want to do that, right? You can do that for yourself. So let me just try and put in maybe let me just find somebody else's Facebook profile. I don't want to use my own, so it doesn't look like I'm copying every time. So let me just search for Facebook profile, or maybe something different, something different, just to link that up and show you guys how easy it is to change anything you want to change. Let me just go down and see if I can find anybody here on Facebook that I can steal his username or whatever. Okay, let me just use this page. Let me just use this page, and let me just copy this one, copy link address, and I'm going to go back, okay, and I'm going to paste that in there. So for you, it can be anything, guys. You can link in your Facebook page, it can be your Instagram, it can be Twitter, it can be anything, right? So just click that, click on enter, and make sure you click on save. So for everything that you will be doing, make sure you remember to save, because if you don't save, it's not going to go live. It's not going to go live. So you can see I've been able to save that. So you can do that for Instagram as well. You can add in YouTube icon if you want to. You can do anything that you want to for yourself. And also, if you want to change this very big picture, it's very simple to do. So all you have to do right now is you can click on the picture. You can see where it says replace, and once you click on the word replace, you can see that you have a whole lot of pictures that you can use. So let's say I want to use this pretty guy here. This guy looks handsome, so I'm just going to use this guy. Okay, so let's see if it's going to change up for us. Let's wait for it to change. It's actually loading, so it's going to change for us. Okay, very good. So you can see it's changed. So whatever picture you want to use, so maybe you want to pick a picture from your mobile device, okay, or from your device. It's so simple. All you have to do right now is come over to you can see add files. You can see where it says add files, right? You can click on add files and you'll be redirected to import the kind of image that you want to use on your website. So very easy to do, guys, and make sure you click on save after you are done with any editing that you have made. So with that all said, I really believe you guys can do the little things remaining, which is the editing, putting in the kind of things you want to use and all of that, the text, the colors, the pictures, anything you want to do. And also this is actually going to be what an opt-in page which you get because you are making use of GetResponse. Remember I told you earlier that GetResponse is an email marketing tool, right? So they'll provide you with everything you need to get people's email addresses, so you don't have to worry about that. So I actually got my opt-in page here, and if you want to change the opt-in page, you can basically change your opt-in page. Okay, so you can change pictures if you want to. Maybe you don't want this guy, you can change this guy, you can use somebody else's. Okay, that is that on that, guy. So that is how you actually create a free website for yourself, guys. It is so easy and very simple using GetResponse. So use the link below. That will be the first link you'll be seeing. Okay, create your account on GetResponse for free and you'll be able to create a website for free. So easy and so simple to do. So I can do whatever thing I want to do here. I can change whatever thing I want to change. So if you want to preview how your website is going to look like, maybe on a desktop device or maybe a mobile device, you can just come over to the top bar here and you can see when you click on the on a desktop icon, it's going to show you how your website is going to look like on desktop. So you can see this is actually how it's going to look like on the desktop file. You can see how beautiful this is, right? How beautiful and how unique this is. If you want to check out for the mobile, you can just click on the mobile icon here, click on the mobile icon, and you can see how this is looking. Wow, this looks professional, guys. So you can see all thanks to me and also all thanks to you for watching, because if you had not watched this video, you might not have learned how to create a free website for yourself. So you can see that we actually did not pay any money and we have a good looking website, guys. So it is so easy and so simple to do. So once you are done editing, once you are done playing around and making the website look unique and your taste, what you have to do right now is when you want to basically publish the site, what you have to do right now is to click on connect domain. Okay, click on the connect domain. Basically I told you are getting a domain for free, so don't worry about you paying $5 or $10 to get a domain. You can get a domain for free. So all you have to do right now is to give your website a name. So let me just give it Course Territory. Let me list Course Territory as the name. Course Territory. Okay, very good. So I can actually change this as well to Course Territory. Okay, Course Territory. Good. This looks good as well. So click on publish once you are done giving your website a name. So click on publish and automatically it's going to scan through the whole net and see if somebody is basically using your domain, and if nobody's using your domain, boom, successfully you've been able to create your own website, guys. So you can see here it says active. So my website is active, and if I click on the link here, which is my website URL, you can see that I have my website live and anybody can access this. Okay, so I'm going to leave this link also. The website link is going to be down below, so you can actually check out the website link and see it for yourself. So guys, this is actually the editing that we did for ourselves, and basically we now have our own free website, all done for free, guys. So this is actually how you go about creating a free website for yourself. If you're really happy with this video, guys, please make sure you drop me a like and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And in my latest video, I'm going to see you guys. So make sure you go create your own free website using the link down below to create your GetResponse account, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.